G'day, welcome to this quick video of the worksite member or onboardee self-registration portal, how it all works, some tips and tricks. So the whole idea of the registration portal, which can be accessed in the admin area, the link just down here and under register. Now what you can do is just right click in Chrome, go copy link address. So that's a special URL which allows anyone to access the self-registration portal. So normally within worksite, to add an onboardee, in this case, you can see we've named the onboardees contractors up here in the tab because that's what they're called. You can customize that within worksite. It's very flexible. To do that, you just edit the space and you can name whatever the singular and plural version of whoever you are onboarding in here. You can also change the colors. So you can see the outer background is this kind of bluish, greenish color, which is used by this fictitious company, Canterbury Construction. So those are the colors that will be used in the self-registration portal and also the onboarding portal. So it's consistent. There's also actually a logo set up, Canterbury Construction, which is called the portal header banner, and that will show in the registration portal as well. So all of that's customizable. So let's go back, go to the registration. Let's click on registration and see what the registration portal looks like. Very straightforward. As mentioned, you can see it's using the branding colors, using the logo. There's just one other button you can click on, which is this button up here. That will switch to full screen on any device. Now, each device will handle that differently. So with Chrome, you actually see almost like a pop-up warning. Just tells you, hey, if you want to get out of full screen, hit escape button. You can also on Chrome hit F11 to switch or toggle between full screen modes. So, but that's just a quick button that does that for you. So where and how would you use a self-registration portal? What is the point of it? Well, most scenarios, it's going to be a QR code that's on a wall or a sign. It could be on the outside of a work site at the entrance saying, register here before entering the site. Okay, something like that. It can be a link on your website. You can email the link to people if you want to. So anyone who's got that link can kind of self-register into the portal, and that will allow them to complete whatever onboarding is set up, whatever onboarding workflow you have set up. So just bear that in mind. So you don't want to have anything that's super confidential within onboarding if you are giving people the self-registration portal. It's sort of like a universal link that allows anyone to onboard your portal. In most cases, I guess, depends on your scenario, but in most cases you will send individual personalized links to onboardees through worksite, so only they have access to that information. So, but yeah, when you do, what actually happens in the background, just so you can understand how it all works, is that when someone registers through the self-registration portal, what it's doing in the background is creating a new contact if that contact does not exist in the database already. So it's actually looking up for that email address, and if it finds that email address in the contact, then it'll go, hey, is there an associated onboardee record or contractor record in this case for that contact? If there is, it will provide their personalized link. If they don't exist, they're completely foreign to worksite, it's the first time they've tried to onboard, then a new contact will be added and a new onboardee record, contractor record will be created as well in the background instantly, and a personalized link sent to that person. So what that means is when that person finds that link in their email, because it'll be emailed to them immediately, they'll be able to click on that, and that then becomes their personalized portal link, if that makes sense. So worksite generates a new personalized portal link for just that person. So let's have a look at how quickly and easily you can get someone to self-register the portal. So I'm going to put in my name here, and I'm just going to use an email address that I've got access to in the background here. And you can see the mobile phone is optional. It's a fake mobile phone number. And we're just going to click on register. Success. Check your email inbox to continue. So in the background, it's sent a link. It's actually just arrived already. So if we just go into my email here, you can see that's exactly what I've received. I've received this link. Okay, it'll be a different URL to this, but that is the link. And then all I need to do is click on that link to access the portal. So yeah, in the back end of WorkCirc, you would be able to now look up that contact and that contractor if you needed to or wanted to. So yeah, remember with the registration portal, you can right click, just go copy link address, and then you can just create a QR code. There's QR code creators online everywhere. You can just create a QR code, print that out, and put it up on the wall, and you've provided access for basically anyone to onboard into your portal. Hope that helps explain the self-registration portal. Any other questions, get in touch at workcirc.com.au, and thanks for watching.